guys, I'm here to do another video, and this time I have a Kate Spade wallet, and this is the Kate Spade Cameron Large Slim Bifold wallet in the color Cherry Wood. I did purchase this from the outlet last year after me and my husband had got through with our last cruise that we had went on. We had stopped by the outlet, and so this it retails for $119, but they had it marked down to like $109, and then they had like some extra percentage off, and I end up paying, oh, here go the receipt. I end up paying $26.40 for it. So I got a pretty good deal on it, because you see it was $109. Oh, it was 70% off plus an extra 20% off. So I paid $28.58 for it, so that wasn't that bad. So let me show you guys the wallet. So here it is. Here's the front, and here is the back. It has a zip. If I can get it open, it has a zipper right here, and then you unsnap it, and then here is the inside, and it has several card slots, so you can just pop all your little cards in here, and your IDs and all that good old stuff. Put your ID over here, and then you can put you some good old cash in here. And I'm sure these right here, they can be, you probably can double them too, but you don't want to stuff this too much, because it does have this snap right here, and you don't want it to be to where it's so stuffed that you can't, that you know, it won't button back up. So I have all of these. I'm gonna stuff all these in here, so you see that they does fit. And then you're gonna have an opening here, and then an opening here. Here's your little Kate Spade booklet. And then you're going to have an opening over here, and then another one right here. And like I said, you could just put you know, slide you a couple of bucks up in there, and then just snap it. So, and you see how it's sticking out. So like I said, if you double it, it's probably, it may not even snap. So there's that. And like you have the back part, and you can stick like some, put you some change or something in there. And this is in the color Cherry Wood, and I do have a bag to match it. And here is the tag, if it will focus. And y'all know I put all of this stuff towards the end. I don't know if y'all be really paying attention to the end, but I do post pictures at all the end of my videos. So here's that. So yeah, y'all, just want to show y'all that. And this comes in a bunch of different other colors, so I'm sure you can find, I would like to have one in black, but it comes in other colors. And here's the little spade right there. It's so cute. And one thing I like about Kate Spade is her wallets and stuff, they're like really good quality. And she has like a bunch of different kind of cute, you know, styles of wallets and stuff. And then anytime you go to the outlet, they always have like a really good sale on their wallets and stuff. So I like her little stuff. So here this is. And with Kate Spade, you can always go to TJ Maxx and find Kate Spade wallets all the time marked down. So that's a plus too. So I just wanted to show you guys this. And like I said, this is the large slim bifold wallet. It's called the Cameron, and it's in the color Cherry Wood. So like always, if you have any questions, let me know. Bye.